In this sort, we will be sorting them by the I sound, the short I sound with a consonant, vowel, consonant. Then the long I saying its name I with the consonant, vowel, consonant, and the magic E making the I say its name. And then the oddball group, because there's going to be one or more that do not follow this pattern. Looking at our pieces, we have mice, give, 9, spill, drive, rich, dish, flip, nice, life, swim, thin, prize, hike, dice, pin, kick, stick, 5, and gift. Sorting our pieces, mice, I hear I in the middle and it has the magic E at the end. Spill, I hear the short I sound. Drive, I hear the long I, and it has the magic E. Thin, I hear the short I sound. Rich, I hear the short I sound. Hike, I hear the long I, and the magic E is at the end. Gift, I hear the short I sound. Dice, I hear the long I sound, and it has the magic E. Life, I hear the long I, and it has the magic E. 5, I hear the I sound, and the magic E is at the end. Pin, I hear the short I sound. Kick, I hear the short I. Give goes in the oddball group. While I hear the short I, it has the E at the end, and the E normally makes the I say its name. So that's why this is an oddball, because even though it has the E at the end, it's making the short I sound. Prize, I hear the long I sound with the magic E. Stick, I hear the short I sound. 9, I hear the long I, and it has the E. Nice, I hear the long I, and it has that E. Swim, I hear the short I sound. Dish, I hear the short I sound. And flip, I hear the short I sound. So with the short I sound, we have spill, thin, rich, gift, kick, pin, stick, swim, dish, and flip. The long I sound, because of the magic E, mice, drive, hike, dice, life, 5, prize, 9, and nice. And that oddball again is give, because it has the short I sound, but the E at the end that does not have the magic E power.